All right, I know school is out for the summer, but I'm already thinking about next year, and I needed to get my stepdaughter a new like Lunchbox Bento style, and I came across this one and I thought it looked really cool, and it was exactly what I was looking for. So hopefully it's gonna do all the things that I want it to. It does come in a bunch of different colors. I do like that you've got these really nice thick latches here on all four sides, and it collapses everything together. So let's go ahead and open this up. So you have, you know, your utensils here. I think that's really great. These are actually, yeah, they're pretty decent. That's a decent spoon. They're usually really terrible and don't have that dip. So that's kind of nice. So you've got your utensils there. This will be a good spot to put any kind of like flat snacks, like maybe goldfish or like cookies or something like that. And then inside here, I just love all the different compartments. Again, I think this will be like a snack compartment, or like maybe yogurt, berries, fruit, stuff like that can go in here. And then you've got your main compartment here on the bottom. You know, if you want to do like a little bit of rice, this side you can have your meat, your veggies, or obviously mix it all together depending on what you're looking to do. So the biggest thing for me is I did see on there that there's meant to be like a gasket around it because it's supposed to be leak proof. I don't actually see that, if I'm being on. Oh, okay. So there's one here. I definitely see this one here. So I missed that one. Okay, so that's good to know. And then there's not one up here up at the top, but that's okay. I'm going to put some water in here because I just want to know if this is going to leak. Like, let's say I give her something that's saucy, you know, so let's say we have something down here and there's a sauce. And so I'll put a bit of water there, and then I'm going to, this is the way it goes. This one goes here. Let's say we have some sort of dressing in here, because it does not come with a lid, right? When I see this, this looks like some sort of dressing or a dip, maybe like some ketchup or whatever. And we'll put this up on the top, and then we'll put her utensils, and we're going to see. So my thing is, if I'm being honest, if it leaks, I still really like this. I like the size. I like the compartments, everything. It's exactly what I'm looking for. If it leaks, I'm just going to have to be mindful. I'm hoping that it doesn't leak, but let's see. Oh, it doesn't leak. Is there no water coming out? Okay, a tiny spill. I mean, I don't think okay, so there are a few spills coming out. I mean, I feel like I really have to shake it. I'm thinking about this being in a lunchbox. You know, maybe your lunchbox is sitting like this throughout the day. I mean, maybe if they're like a little kid, they might be running around and swinging their lunchbox. My, you know, 18-year-old stepdaughter, I don't think she's going to be swinging it. This is actually better than I thought it was going to be. This is a massive win in my book, and I'm excited for her to be using it.